I set out in a narrow way many years ago, hoping I would find true love along the broken road. But I got lost a time or two, wiped my brow, kept pushing through. I couldn't see how every sign pointed straight to you. Every long lost dream led me to where you were. Others who broke my heart, they were like northern stars, pushing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God blessed the broken road and led me straight to you.